Welcome to the CounselMore training video on reporting. To access the reporting feature, navigate to your settings menu, Reporting. In the reporting section, you'll find various types of reports to help you manage student information and track counseling activities. Let's start with the Account Activity Report. This feature provides insights into financial matters related to your students. First, we have the Financial Summary section, which offers a comprehensive overview of the student's financial status, including the total balance and payment totals. You can filter this information by graduation year and export it to Excel for further analysis. Next, we have the Deposit section, where you can view all payments made by clients. You also have the option to export this information to Excel. Moving on to the Invoices section, you'll find a list of all issued invoices. You can mark payments as settled by clients and manage their financial records. However, please note that marking an invoice as paid does not automatically reduce the balance in the accounting section. In the Accepted Decline section, you can track schools featured in the app tracker and review student metadata at a glance. You can filter results based on various criteria and export the information for analysis. Here are two viewing options: by students and by college. When viewing by college, you have access to raw data for performance assessment and website promotion. Moving forward to the Assignments section, where you can track tasks assigned to students, parents, or counselor. You can use filters to streamline your search based on graduation year, student status, completion status, and assignment status. Lastly, the Contact Information section contains biographical data of your clients. You can export this data for further analysis and utilize filters to streamline your search. These reporting features provide valuable insights to help you manage student information and track counseling activities effectively, saving you time and money. This concludes the training on reporting in CounselMore. Thank you for watching.